Meghalaya showcased its sporting prowess at the recently concluded Weiders Olympia Amateur India 2023 in Mumbai, securing a commendable bronze medal. The honour was clinched by Susie Basan, a 43-year-old mother of two. The international event witnessed participation from accomplished female bodybuilders hailing from various countries, all vying for a prestigious medal. While the gold went to the formidable Russian contingent and the silver found its way to the competitor from New Delhi, Meghalaya's Susie Basan stood tall, securing the bronze. The Weiders Olympia Amateur India 2023 event not only celebrated athleticism but also highlighted the diversity and determination within the sporting community.
Like all the artists to be in the center for a group photograph.
It was a very tough competition for me, and plus it was my first time competing in this platform. I was nervous, but still I did not give up. I really gave my 100% on the stage, and I come up with a third runners-up along with those females besides me.